Hey, today we're out in North Texas in an old town, an old part of town here specifically. Our buddy Wes has got some permission from some of the people that own the land around here to get on some of these old lots and some of the old house sites. We're hoping maybe we'll find some old coins or maybe something along those lines. I've also got Miguel with us, and we've got Jolene, who's been out with us a couple times before. What we're wanting to do today is make a run with these 400s, the brand new aces, the 400s, the 300s, even one of the 200s here. See what kind of stuff we can dig with this new technology from Garrett. And on a few of these, we've actually got the small 5x8 coil, which should be great on these old home sites where there's a lot of trash around in certain cases. But we're going to dig for a while, and hopefully we'll show you a few finds as we go on.
High 70s, 80s. I dig those. I've got to dig that. Didn't sound like a coin, but bouncing around. But good enough to dig for sure. All right, I think I've dug one of these before. Merry Widow's condom tin. Quality condoms from a day gone by. That sounded really good on this machine too. That's the second one of those I've ever dug. Very cool find. Proof that something was happening on this site. Something was definitely going on back here. I'll take that. I consider that treasure.
Oh, it's a coin. No, it's a medallion. Check that out. Maybe it looks like some kind of religious medallion or something like that. That's funny because Wes said he's been through this yard a few times, but that guy was hitting like 60, 61, and man, I've been digging, probably gets like a bunch of these pop tops here. Somebody's been drinking a bunch of beer out in this yard, and this guy was not far off from where that hit, but hang on. I don't know, it looks like it's either a religious piece or it looks like some Aztec god or some weird stuff, but I'll hold it out, see if you can see it. I'll clean it up later. Maybe we can get a better photo to add on the video later. That's cool. Got some Wheaties. Got a cool little token of some sort. I'm happy. This guy here, though, sweet. Getting through this trash makes a big difference.
Alright, I mean, my first day using this 400, so I don't know what to expect, but I would dig this with my AT Pro all day long. This is hitting like an 88, 89, every once in a while it hits a 90. Assuming these numbers are the same kind of numbers that you have on an AT Pro, that sounds like a quarter size, I don't know. Could be junk, let's take it and see. It sounds like something that would be bigger than a dime, I would think. But that doesn't mean anything in this hobby. All right. Okay, that's silver coin. Okay, and that's not an American coin. That's a Canadian coin. 1940. My eyes are not good. I'm gonna say I think it's a 1948, and it's like the size of a quarter. I don't know my Canadian coins, but that's a silver coin. I do know that. can tell by the rim on it. And that's a very cool coin. And I'll take that all day long. Like an elk on the back or something. Mule deer. Very cool. Love it. Awesome.
Gonna trip myself and fall on my face. So it's 88 to 92, about 2 inches down. I wouldn't mind having a coin. I'd love it if it was silver. I should aim high. Let me see. And it was sticking there pretty good. Oh, fell right out. Oh, no, not an old coin, but it's a different picture than what I'm used to, Pennsylvania. It's a state quarters, I guess.
Looks like an old penny.
Oh yeah, 1 cent. Definitely got a weedy here. Don't know if I can make out the year, as blind as I am without my glasses. 1940 something, looks like. 44 or so, maybe a wartime. Maybe you can get the date there with the camera. Get it right there in that light. And it's a 1 cent and the weedy on the back. Not bad. Getting a few good things today so far.
Some kind of badge. It's got eagle on it. I'm gonna have to clean it up to see what more about it, but it's got like a little badge with an eagle on it, and it's got where you would pin it on the back of your shirt. It's got to be old. We'll clean it up and see more about it in a little bit. Ace 200. You never know what you'll find.
I want to thank Garrett for inviting me out. My name's Jolene Cormier, by the way. I tried the Ace 300 and the Ace 400 today while we were detecting a couple home sites, and I found a handful of coins, all new or more modern. 2 of them were coin drops. But that is not reflective of the detectors. I like these. I like the 400 better, and I'm not sure why, but I do. They're both very light. I found I could, after I got used to it, it took maybe about an hour, I could start identifying when I thought I had a penny or when I thought I had a quarter, which is the sign that I can really kind of pick up on a machine. It doesn't have ground balance. I wasn't used to that, and I spent 5 minutes probably looking for it, but it's pretty easy to use. I use an AT Pro, and it's kind of like that. So I'm not giving up my AT Pro, and Dad, I'm not going to a GTI, but I like these detectors. They're nice.
Definitely
So-
cool detector. And I found a silver coin, so I can't argue with a silver coin. Any day you find a silver coin's a good day. So definitely a cool machine. It's light, easy to use. Really love these small coils too. Using it with this 5x8 coil is just getting in trashy areas. It just helps you really, really hone in and pick a target out. Impressive, neat machine. Absolutely like it.
I love this volume thing on this, by the way. I don't know if this
Oh,
comes
no.
in all of them.
These are comfortable. Honestly, these are comfortable and they're great when it's hot out.
Yeah, it's cool.
They're really
The big
nice when
ones
it's
you put
hot.
on. Yeah.
Yeah,
They work
doesn't
good.
the big ones have the AT Pro and all that? They have this
They've got
volume
it
thing
here.
on them?
Yeah,
They're on the
It's up at the
side,
top?
yeah.
I've never played with it enough,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
I saw this and I love this thing.
Yep, they're good.
This
Oh,
little-
they come with these?
this little
Those
thing
come
is
with them,
little-
yeah.
Yeah, that's- I mean, it's hard to beat. A
You get
pack
the little rain cover and stuff with it, so it's not a bad deal.
Oh, that is a package deal that comes just straight.
Yeah, I think it's a coil cover that comes with it, but it's the bigger coil.
Fun hunt though, and I appreciate you guys inviting me out to try these out.
Yeah,
Love-
thanks. Thank you for
Really
inviting
cool.
me.